Hey guys, my name is Will, and this is a video of our carrier green speed systems. There's that. They're doing something in there. Not sure what. Alright, well anyways, here's the Infinity systems right here. They're the 24 ANB7 or Infinity 17 carrier. There's the forward swept fan blades, Gentech fan motor. Here's the Generac Guardian Series generator, flue pipe, 22 kilowatt all weather aluminum. And these are 3.5 tons. Downstairs, it's the downstairs, and this is the upstairs. Like here's where the line sets and stuff are. See, from the 30th week, 2014. And then you see 24 ANB7. 3.5 tons. It is freezing out today. These are not installed yet. They will be. He might hold off on installing these until the summertime. I'm not sure. Until like the springtime when he can actually run them. But I'm really not sure. There's the addition. These are matched up with 2 Carrier Infinity variable speed air handlers. They are very, very nice. 18 SEER, so 17.7 SEER to be exact. These are straight cool units, not heat pumps. Cabinet there. This is the 2-stage, not modulating, not the Infinity 20 or anything like that. Carrier, and of course it's Carrier, so I'm expecting good things from it. Alright, I don't want to stay out here much longer. It is freezing. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.